Hello guys, welcome back to Tech and Unbox with Anas. Now we are going to solve questions of array in Java. The first questions in array is write a program to find largest element of the array using Java. To implement this, it's not a very big deal. It's very easy. Just watch with me and solve this. First of all, we need a method. Inside of main method, first of all, create your array element. Int array. Name of the array is number is equal to have the numbers here like 12, 45, 67, 23, 89, 5, 99, and 34. This is the array which we have. Okay. And I want to check which one is our largest number here. How to implement. It's not a big deal. First of all, we need a one variables. Name of the variable is largest, and I supposed to be this largest variables have a max numbers. So for that, number of array 0. I supposed to be number of 0 in the place of 0 whatever numbers we have, let's suppose 12. So it will be the our element is think like it is a max element here or largest element. After this, you have to need a for loop to iterate your array for int I is equal to 1 and I should less than of sorry, I should less than of number dot length. It will be take care of your all the length of the array and I plus plus. Get this block and the logic is here. It's not a big deal to take the find the largest element in the array. Just what you are doing here, just assuming here, assuming, assuming a largest element, uh, largest element, assuming, sorry, assuming. Okay. Now inside of this, I have to write the what is logic if number of I is greater than largest. Sorry, largest. Oh, the variable name is wrong. Largest. Okay. Largest. Then what you need to do? Then largest is equal to number of I. So the our condition is if the number of I is greater than of largest. So here we are assuming that a element is a have a largest element inside of this variables. So for that reason, I just check that if the number of I is greater than largest. Number of I means whatever the element we have in the number now, all the element coming inside the number of I, and it will check if it's greater than largest. Then what you need to do? Largest is equal to number of I. Then to checking this way, we will get the largest element and come out the our for loop. This out the yeah, largest element. This out the largest element in the array is in the largest in the largest, or just can get in it to need a plus operators. Now run this program and see what we'll be getting. As you can see, we will get the largest element of the array is 99. And you can see here, 99 is the largest element. What if not perform this for loop and see what will be getting? Let's comment out, run it again. The main method is throwing error because because oh sorry, the one block is there. Nah, that is not coming out. That's why we get the error. So let's run it. As you can see here, the largest element in the array is para, which is the assuming by ourselves. And then we have to perform these operators. This is the for loop now. Perform these operators and check. If it's not, then you have to do. Then then you have to do largest is equal to number of I. So this is the way of this programming working. Thank you for watching Tech and Unbox with Anas.